Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting your Fortnite account to an Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You will need to open up a web browser and head over to epicgames.com to do this. Click on Sign In from the top right and log in to your Epic Games account. Note that your Epic Games and Fortnite info are the same thing. When you are logged in, tap on your profile name at the top right of the screen and then select Account. Select Xbox from the list. Tap Link Account. You'll now be taken to the official login page for Microsoft. Log in to your Xbox Live account here. Your Epic Games account and Xbox profile are now connected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.